You're gonna call
There's a rolling pin. There's a scissors. Pizza cutter. A knife.
Let's sit here that way.
Cindy, look. Are you ready for this?
Okay, watch Daddy.
You might want to do it in here. Yeah, you want to do it on the mat.
Look! What? Are you serious? What do you think of that? This is an awesome Play-Doh set. What is that?
What does this one
Is that spaghetti now?
What does this one do, Nicole?
How are you supposed to get it out of the machine?
With your finger. Oh, are these like, you can make like cookies, kitty cat cookies or something like that, right?
Oh, look, if you do like this, and then you can put it right here. Look at this, Cindy.
Look at Daddy, look at Daddy.
You squeeze it.
Look at Daddy.
Look at that. Okay, here's all the Play-Doh that I can get out of the machine.
Oh, let's see. What are those?
Let's make something.
See, there's stuff, it's still in the machine, but I don't know how you're supposed to get it out.
Rolling pin.
Oh, I see, it opens up.
You have a new one. Good. Push down hard.
Push hard.
See, Sydney helped me make pies and stuff for Thanksgiving. That's why she knows how.
She knows how to make a roll.
Yep.
Use a rolling.
Okay. Want to make a kitty?
Good girl. Oh, yeah, you can make a cookie.
Okay, press it.
And then what do you do? Oh, that's I like that mat. That's good. This is a fun activity during the day.
Okay,
Oh, you're gonna cut the cookie? Cut the cookie, Mama.
Make it into 2 cookies.
There you go. There. Ready?
Cut.
And yay!
Then
She's always wanted a pair of scissors.
And you make a fishy.
What?
Push it with your finger like this. Push with your finger like that.
Did you get a fish?
Cindy, look at this.
Uh-oh. What's Daddy doing? Wow. He's making spaghetti. Red spaghetti. Or pink, whatever it is. I'm like... This is fun.
Play-Doh.
Everybody Play-Doh.
Mix it
This should be
together.
Play-Doh for adults.
You want to do it?
You can just play with it.
Here.
Play-Doh is fun to play.